Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the Midday Market Snapshot. It's Wednesday, April 27th, and I am Laz. Let's talk about what is going on today and for the rest of the afternoon, giving you a brief, concise update on the market and some key things that we see happening today. Obviously, today's FOMC meeting at 12:15, Fed expecting to keep rates unchanged. I think the big news today will be Bernanke's press conference, which is a rare, which is something we haven't seen. Where they're going to do a pretty in-depth Q&A with him at 2:15. I think that'll be really more of the pivotal market-moving news-related items. Today, what are we seeing? Oils, ags, commodities. Some of them getting hurt today. Let's take a look at the OIH. Haven't seen this in a while. You're seeing here in the chart the OIH getting sold pretty aggressively so far this morning. Up here at highs, OIH still very, very strong. Oil still very, very strong. You can see volume again coming up today. Keep an eye on some of the oils today. Other ones, ConocoPhillips getting hit today, as well as Exxon, the big boy, seeing some selling up here at prior highs. Some other ags, POT, potash, seeing some selling this afternoon. I'll make this just a little bit bigger so you can see this big red stick down and the volume that accompanies that. So keep your eyes on some of the ags and commodities this afternoon as we do see some selling taking place right now. We'll see if we get some follow-through post-Fed. Moving forward, we also have some regional banks, MTB, some others, a sector of strength here, seeing higher prices. Keep your eyes on some of the regionals. While some of the bigger banks, we'll take a look here at the XLF, which is the ETF for financials, not really looking that strong. As a matter of fact, you could make the argument a very, very clean-looking bear flag technical pattern is setting up here. Goldman, seeing some selling today, declining moving average, right at the average, and trading a little bit lower. In addition, we want to talk about earnings, some of the bigger earnings plays today. Amazon. Woo! Look at that bar in Amazon. Through 52-week highs. I don't know if a lot of people saw this coming today, but this is why it's important that you stay nimble with stocks that are going into earnings. We've seen a mixed bag so far. Amazon, a pillar of strength. You can see the volume that it's doing and the strength that's happening. Some others that we've seen, Netflix yesterday, not really seeing that same type of trade. So it is a mixed bag with earnings. Some others for today, Baker Hughes, gapping up into new highs but selling off intraday. So I think that you have a lot to work with today. The overall market, the spiders sitting at new 52-week highs. Not seeing any real momentum there, but I think going into this afternoon, the key will be what Bernanke says at 2:15. Does he insinuate possibly a QE3, which I think there's been some grumblings about, or potentially ending QE2, and will that be it? So very, very interesting to see what the market does today. You do have a mixed bag and some different things to work with. As always, keep your eyes and ears to the ground. Evaluate risk as it sets up for you. Scott will be in just a little bit to do his pre-Fed morning or afternoon meeting. I hope this gives you a good idea of what to look at this afternoon, and I'll talk to you a little bit later on the VTF. Have a great day trading, everybody.